Hey guys, today, well, I really don't know what I'm doing today. I'm trying to figure it out as I go. I don't really write a schedule. Normally I write a schedule for these vlogs so I know what I'm doing in a day, but today we're just gonna wing it, which is probably a bad idea, but we'll see what we do. So it's like 8:30. I have been working, but I haven't been vlogging yet because I've been trying to get some images ready for Redbubble. Pretty much I had a couple things laid out. I downloaded them off of whatever I had them originally on, and I was trying to upload them, and even though they were MPEG, I realized that I forgot to delete the background of the image, so even though it was set where it would work, it would have like a white square around it. So I spent the morning trying to delete that white background off of a few images. I got one done, and it is the channel logo, so now I kind of have merch technically. So I got that up there and checked it all out and spent the time getting it on all the products and stuff, and I think it looks really cute. So later today I might mess around with adding a few more images to Redbubble. I know I have like 2 more ready. I just want to sit down and do some other things right now. But if you guys are interested in checking out my Redbubble, the links are down in the description. I've been trying to remember to put them down there, so they should be down there. I think what we're going to work on today is I want to start... Where did I put them? Hold on. I want to start on a fabric pattern and design for the horns that we made. And I think we're going to be doing a dragon. I really like the idea of these being on a dragon, but I want them to be like a baby dragon. So I'm going to pick out all the fabric and try and figure out what I want to do with them. This is going to be kind of like star slash zodiac themed, so I'm going to try and add some stars and weird things to it, and we'll just see what we get. I do have some fabric that I think will look really cool with it. So I'm thinking this one blue or this one purple will work really well. I really like these. I think they'll go with the undercolors of the horn, because we got like the blue and purple here, so we might actually use both. So I'm gonna get those out, and then I want some gold. So I'm not sure if I want to use like this gold here, which I recently used on another project, so let's get that out and just kind of brainstorm. I get that, and then without making a big mess, I've got my Sequin gold here. So we could end up using that as well. But here, let me find where it is. See? There it is. I think that looks really pretty all together. I might find a few more gems and stuff, but I really like this. These are going to look really cool for the wings. What I'm kind of thinking is, I'll see if I have some gold felt still. If not, we'll probably use this, but I want to basically sew in place some star patterns, or even just like some dots. We can just like cut out the scales and make it look like they're stars if we want to. Make it look kind of like a little bit more natural instead of having like just, here's a star. But I like the idea of using these for the wings and maybe some of the body. And then the back of the dragon could be a combination of this. I have some fur fabric that could work too, so we have some fluffy bits on it. I'm not sure. I know I have a little bit of black, so we could use that. I have that dark blue, but it's really short, so I'm not sure if I'll like using it. And then most of my colors are actually kind of really light, so we may not end up using any of the fur fabric. I don't know. I'll think about it. So I think I'm going to sketch out a really quick pattern, try and figure out the body style of our dragon, and then we'll get to cutting everything out and figuring out how I want to add stars on it. Maybe while I'm at it, I can figure out what to do with these horns. These ones actually came out, they didn't get all messed up on the tips like the other ones did. So, I don't know, would that be cool to do kind of a starry theme with green? I feel like that should be more of a forest creature. Okay, let's get started on the star one. Okay, so I decided that we're going to be doing a chubby dragon in this style. I really like the idea of a baby, just kind of really chubby creature. So I haven't really done a dragon in this style other than for like commissions. So it'd be an interesting change for the channel. Also, I think we'll end up using both the purple and the blue sequence because the horns have purple and blue. And what I'm thinking, since the blue starts at the base of the horn and then it turns to purple, we can do that with the body. We can have the main part of the body the blue, and then it can extend into the purple. So we can have the tail, neck, legs, wings, we can have those all purple if I have enough of the purple. I should probably double check that I have enough. If not, we can have a few of the limbs, like the back legs or the under part of the wings can stay blue. But I'll see what I have. I need to get everything kind of laid out so we can start sewing. Okay, let's get these pinned together. I got everything sketched out on my backing stuff. And now I just need to pin it together so we can sew it. I think I'm going to start off with the blue because I need to know if... Actually, no, I need to start off with the purple because I need to know how much blue I need to use because I think we have more blue than purple. So, this and this. At least these ones for now. I'm going to move these out of the way. I honestly need to not be starting this dragon. I need to be starting Halloween stuff. But I just can't think of any good projects that I want to do. Looking at my schedule, the first tutorial of October will end up being my Allosaur. Just the way it lands, that's what I'm going to have ready. And looking at it, I have 2 more weeks that I can do tutorials because I do the bi-weekly tutorials and weekly vlogs. So I have 2 more Thursdays in October that I can do a tutorial. So I need 2 Halloween projects. I kind of want to do one like cute and then one like extremely detailed and creepy. But like not too creepy, just like really cool. I'm just not sure. Let me find my better scissors. So I currently have 4 pairs of scissors. My new pair, my second to new pair, which I was using before getting that, and 2 random ones that I just cut stuff that I know will destroy my scissors. One of them tends to be something to open food with. You know, like chip packages and stuff like that. But I don't want to use my new ones on the sequence because I have a feeling that that won't be too great on them, and they're really nice and sharp, and I don't want to ruin them right away. But yeah, I don't know what I want to do for Halloween. Also, I want to draw some stuff digitally for my Redbubble for Halloween as well. That will probably be a little bit easier because I could just do really cute like pumpkins and dragons and fantasy creatures and stuff like that. And that's easy. I haven't even done much digital work, so a lot more to work with. But I don't want to just do another art doll that's very similar to my other ones. So okay, so got that, and that's the front legs. Something tells me that we're going to have to do a lot more in blue than I wanted to, because I'm not seeing a lot of purple here. Okay, so I think I'm going to take a lunch break, but before I do that, I really, really want to cut this up. I've been smelling this pineapple all morning, and it just smells amazing. So I'm going to cut this bad boy up, and then I have some pasta salad that I'm going to end up eating that I made yesterday. I mainly cut this up for later, but I can't help it. I gotta try a few bites. Mmm. Oh, it's so fresh. Mmm. Okay, I'm gonna put this up and grab my pasta salad. We actually have a full fridge today. I made this yesterday, so it's still really good. I think I do need to stir it though. Yeah. Okay, so I got everything sewn to the backing. I had enough blue to do the wings, the body, the back legs. The inside of the back legs are going to be purple because I actually was kind of low on the blue, and it just worked that way. So the front legs are going to be completely purple. The tail and the neck are also going to be purple, but I didn't have enough blue to do one side of the wings, so the wings are solid blue. So it's just how everything had to fit on the fabric. So I'm gonna get all of this cut out. And I think the next thing that I'm gonna work on is I have a dragon that I need to set up and take photos of to put on Etsy. So we'll end up doing that. Trying to figure out how I want to lay everything out for photos. I'll probably leave it very simple and just like throw some blankets down or something like that. Because it's not like one of my like super cool pieces. It's just like one of the extra dragons that I've been working on. I don't want to put all the extra time into the photos right now. Okay, I got everything cut out, and now I really need to clean up my mess. I'm gonna find sequins for days. As always happens every time I work with sequins, I will find it forever. Literally forever. I will have one color sequence that I've worked with, this time around 2, and then they won't just stop showing up, they'll just change color because by then I'll have used sequence fabric again, and it'll be a different color. Okay, so this is our little dragon. You've probably seen me make the clay pieces and stuff in other vlogs. I finally finished it, and I am going to take some photos of this and get it in my Etsy shop. So I don't have any blankets that I think look good with this color, so I'm kind of thinking of going through my fur fabrics and seeing what would actually look cute to just kind of lay out and take photos of. So let me see what I got. Oh, this would look really good. Because the dragon already has a little bit of pink. It's a different shade of pink. So it won't like blend in too much, but it won't be such a busy photo if I throw in more colors. And there's a hint of purple here and there, so it'll kind of complement it. Okay, let me see how I can set this up. Okay, I've got some clips. And I'm not sure if I have enough of this to kind of hang or not. It's a bit of an odd shape. I could do that and then pick a different color for the bottom maybe, because it's kind of like shaped like that, so it doesn't really work, but it does reach to the counter. So I'm just going to clip it to my shelf. Now I need something down here, which I do have. This one throws in a bit more color. Honestly, I should have used this for the backdrop, but I like bringing the extra pink because I have a lot more of this. I'm gonna wrinkle it up, make it look a little bit more natural. Now we'll set our dragon there. He's small enough where I should be able to zoom in and not have to like show everything else that's over here. Okay, I just gotta figure out how to pose him because he really doesn't have a wire frame. His wings have a wire and then his spine does to hold him up, but his legs aren't wired, so he's a little bit different than my normal dolls. I'm just gonna use my phone to take the photos. Makes it easier. Okay, I think that is enough. I got a decent amount of photos to go through. I'm going to pick my favorites. I'm probably going to pick like 5 of them, edit them up real quick, probably increasing the contrast a little bit because they always look brighter in person than they do on camera, so I always just kind of adjust them a little bit to make it look more like what he looks like in person. And then I'm just going to post the thing on Etsy. So if you guys want him, he will be listed in my Etsy shop. I'm not posting him the same time as this vlog is going up. I'm just going to put him in my shop. So he may be gone, he may not be gone. It really depends. I haven't been selling a lot lately, so he'll probably be there if you guys are interested in him. I really need to use this fabric again. What was it? The last time I used it was the Galaxy Raptor. I need to think of something else to use it on. Once we get past October, we're gonna have some very colorful things because I've got so many ideas, but they're just not ones that I can do for October, so been putting them off. Oh, since I didn't have time to post it, I figured I would show you guys the other art that I'm going to be adding to Redbubble. If it would focus, there we go. Got this little dragon. He's in a bubble.
I got that. I'm really excited for this one. I spent a lot of time trying to mess around with how to do different techniques with this one, so I feel like I learned a lot with this one, and it's definitely improved from the other stuff. And then just my logo and another variation of my logo. So I already got this one up, but I need to get this one and this one posted on Redbubble. Why does it not want to focus on this? But yeah, I'm gonna get that done after we get this vlog edited.
So again, not to keep selling myself on Redbubble, I'm just excited about it. That's what I have on there by the time this vlog gets posted. So there might be more depending on how much drawing I get in on the week, but I do have a lot to do this week, so I probably won't be posting anything else. Anyways, I think I'm gonna call today done, other than some housework chores that I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna have you watch me vacuum. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I had a lot of fun sitting down showing everything off. I wish I could show you more, but I don't want to spoil any other videos like the Allosaur. I really want to show you photos of it because I'm super excited on how it came out, but I'm gonna stop myself so that you guys can enjoy it when it does come out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time.